Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about makeup. I haul things. I like going to B&M and Primark and things like that. And I also do planner videos, and I guess you're here because you saw the title. This is a planner stationery haul, things that I got for Christmas, things that I've bought myself, and I just thought, well, why not film a video where I'm showing you all these things. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link, and it would be great if you subscribe to my channel and support this channel. So anyway, let's start. This was a stocking filler, and I think it's so cute. I think it is from Home Bargains, and it looks like a little bear. Really, really cute. It was in my stocking. I don't know if I said that. It's really roomy inside. I'm probably going to put pencils or something like that in there. So really, really cute. Then I'm trying to improve my handwriting for my planner. So I bought this modern calligraphy and hand lettering for beginners. And I'll just show you. It's the ultimate guide to modern calligraphy. So you get... I like it because it's got lots of worksheets, so you get to practice the letters. That's what I like about it. I think that's really cool. And then you just have lots of lines where you can practice the different types of letters and things. So I'm looking forward to doing this and using it and improving my lettering, non-existing writing style. So yeah, that's the thing I got. I got this off Amazon, or whatever I can link in the description box, I will, so you can find it yourself. I got this pretty planner. Hang on, let me show you. Is it in? There you go. I got this from Aldi. I like that it had a bee. It's a 2021 planner, and you get to write down things. I have started a new job, and it's and a person I was working with suggested that I write down all the new things I do. So that's why I got this planner, so I remember, because whenever I go for job interviews, I forget to mention all the things I've been doing. So that's an idea if you want to try it as well. So that's why I got this planner, just to write down things connected to work. Moving on, I saw these pens were suggested for calligraphy. You get, they're supposed to be like, hang on, let me show you. They're Tombow pens, and you get two nibs. So one is this size, hang on, that size, and the other one is this size, hang on. So these are the ones that I got. I got 1, 2, and 3. So I got these 3 colors. So that's something. And then I ordered off Zulily ages ago this sticker set, this sticker book. And I like these. It's the, what's it called? Doodling one. And it's got really, I'll just flip through it so you can see. So it's got, I like how it's like drawings. Really like this. You get different shades. I've already used some of it in my planner. You got nice flowers, different shapes. I don't know where I'm going to use a typewriter. I already have. I really like, hang on, they had these round things here that are really nice. So that's that. Then, this again was in the stocking filler. It has the price on it. It's £1. I think this is from B&M, and you get your, in a post-it note, you can get different letters. I got a J because my name's Joanna. And I was also given this, which is a friend's pen, and it says, I'm your lobster, you are my lobster, actually, which is the scene where Phoebe's talking about Rachel and Ross. I got a couple of sticker kits. So this was from Wendy Prints, and I didn't use it because I forgot about it. It's just a mini kit. It's the Mistle Kisses. Really pretty. I really like her store. So that's that, and then you get that one as well. I'm not going to use this now. That's going to be used next Christmas. And this set. Let me show you this one from Happy Sherpa Papery. I have a discount code. It's Joanna16. So if you want to use that, you can. So you get this. You get this page. You get the check boxes. This is called Snowflake. You get half boxes and little titles. You get washi tape. You get boxes. Here you go. These boxes. These are the Snowflake. Hang on. Show you boxes. Nice pictures. You get that beanie hat. All these things. And then you also get that page. So that's from Happy Sherpa Papery. I'll link down the description in the description box the discount code. And then for my birthday, because it's coming up, I got from Plannerface this one here. These are the icons, so you get this. I really like the washi, the thick washi tape. And then you get the, how do you use these boxes? I never know how to use those ones with the checklist. I don't have that many checklists. You get that one, and that one. And then I got from Josephine Bows this animal print one, which is really, really cute with these. So they're really nice, I think. Can you see them? Hang on, let me. There you go. So this, let me just move that and that. So that's the full set. I'm going to use this soon. I don't need full kits, so I've started buying like smaller ones. What else do I have to show you? This was again from Wendy Prints, an album where you put, you know, your stickers that have you're not using from a kit. So I'm going to use that. Again from Zulily, my final purchase was this notebook. I've never had a Happy Planner notebook. This is the, hang on, let me just move this so you can see it. This is the classic size, and it's, let me just take this off and show you. And this is the Happy Planner notebook, and it has like tabs you can use. So yeah, that is my haul. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.